Beat the melon with a mixer and you'll never want to eat it any other way. Here I'm using a melon and I'm going to cut off the top part. Now, using a spoon, we'll remove all the seeds. Next, we'll use a hand mixer to blend it, releasing plenty of liquid. Then add 100 grams of condensed milk and 100 grams of heavy cream. Now let's mix everything together well. Alright, now add a tablespoon of hydrated unflavored gelatin. Then we'll mix it again. All done, folks. Now cover it with the leftover melon top and refrigerate until firm. Once it's set, just slice it up and enjoy. Look at this, guys. This way of eating melon is incredible. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. A super quick, easy, and delicious little recipe. Hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time and thanks.